Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Science Kit is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools a young learner can get their hands on, offering a gateway to understanding the fundamental principles that govern our world through hands-on experimentation and discovery. This particular kit is designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for science by providing a comprehensive collection of materials and experiments that are both engaging and informative, making complex concepts accessible and fun for sixth graders. It's an investment in a child's future, encouraging critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a deeper appreciation for the scientific method in a way that traditional learning often can't replicate. Number 5. The Complete Middle School Study Guide. Struggling with Science. This comprehensive study guide is designed to make complex topics simple and engaging for middle school students. It covers everything you need to master science, from core concepts to essential formulas. Get ready to understand and excel in your science class. This guide breaks down challenging subjects into easy-to-digest information. You'll find it an invaluable resource for homework and test preparation. With clear explanations and helpful diagrams, it transforms the way you learn science. Boost your confidence and achieve your academic goals. This is the ultimate companion for any middle school student aiming to ace their science curriculum. Make learning science fun and effective. What we like. This comprehensive guide covers all essential middle school science topics. It breaks down complex subjects into easy-to-understand explanations. If you're looking for a single resource to master science, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great book for sixth graders. It covers all the topics in the curriculum and is easy to understand. The book is well organized and has clear explanations. The diagrams and illustrations are helpful for visualizing the concepts. Number 4. Carson Dellosa 100 Series Biology Workbook. Dive into the fascinating world of biology with this comprehensive workbook. It's designed to make complex topics accessible and engaging for students. Covering essential science concepts for grades 6 through 12, this resource is perfect for both classroom and homeschool settings. It provides a solid foundation in biological principles. Journey from the fundamental building blocks of matter and atoms to the intricate details of cells. Understand how life's basic components function and interact. Explore the principles of genetics and the periodic table of elements. Learn about heredity and the fundamental substances that make up our world. Discover the science behind chemical bonds and how they connect different elements. Grasp the forces that hold matter together at a molecular level. With 128 pages packed with information and exercises, this workbook offers extensive learning opportunities. It's a valuable tool for reinforcing knowledge and encouraging deeper understanding. What we like. Dive deep into biology with this specialized workbook. It covers a wide range of grades and specific scientific concepts. If you need a focused approach to biology or are teaching older students, this workbook is an excellent choice. What people say. The textbook is well organized and covers all the essential topics for sixth grade science. The experiments and activities are engaging and help students understand complex concepts. The diagrams and illustrations are clear and informative, making it easier to visualize scientific processes. Number 3. Spectrum Science, Grade 6. Embark on an exciting journey through the world of science. This Grade 6 resource is designed to make learning engaging and accessible for every student. Explore a wide range of scientific topics tailored for sixth graders. We cover essential concepts to build a strong foundation in scientific understanding. Discover hands-on activities and experiments that bring science to life. These engaging elements make complex ideas easier to grasp and remember. Rest assured, our content is carefully aligned with current educational standards. It provides a reliable and effective learning experience. Equip your child with the knowledge and skills they need for future academic success. This program fosters critical thinking and a lifelong love for learning. What we like. This book is tailored specifically for sixth grade science. It aligns with typical curriculum standards and offers ample practice. If you need a straightforward workbook to supplement classroom learning or reinforce specific grade-level skills, this is ideal. What people say. This is a great book for my sixth grader. It covers all the topics needed for the school year and is easy to understand. The explanations are clear and concise, making it easy for my child to grasp complex scientific concepts. The diagrams and illustrations are also very helpful. I appreciate the hands-on activities and experiments included in the book. They really help to reinforce the concepts learned. Number 2. Allied Science 6% Food-Grade Hydrogen Peroxide, 1 gallon. Discover the purity of Allied Science 6% hydrogen peroxide. It's food-grade and safe for various uses. This solution is a blend of H2O2 and water, ensuring a high-quality product. Its food-grade status offers peace of mind. You receive a generous 1-gallon container, providing ample supply for your needs. It's designed for convenience and effectiveness. Trust in its safety and reliability for all your applications. This product meets stringent quality standards. Choose Allied Science for dependable chemical solutions. Experience the difference quality makes with this versatile hydrogen peroxide. What we like. Get a generous supply of high-purity hydrogen peroxide. This food-grade option ensures safety and effectiveness for various uses. If you require a reliable and substantial amount of H2O2 for experiments or other applications, this gallon container is a practical solution. What people say. This is a great book for my 6th grader. It covers all the topics needed for the school year and is easy to understand. The experiments in this book are fun and engaging. My son loves doing them and learning about science at the same time. The illustrations and diagrams in this book are very helpful. They make complex concepts easier to grasp. Number 1. Awesome science experiments for kids. Looking for exciting ways to engage your child's curiosity? This book is packed with over 100 amazing STEM and STEAM projects designed to spark their imagination and learning. Discover the magic behind each experiment with clear explanations of why they work. It's a fantastic resource for hands-on learning and understanding scientific principles. These activities are perfect for kids of all ages, providing hours of entertainment and educational fun. Get ready for some awesome family bonding time. Encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills through engaging projects. It's a great way to introduce them to the exciting world of science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Give the gift of discovery and learning. This collection of activities is designed to inspire the next generation of scientists and creators. With more than 100 experiments to choose from, there's always something new and exciting to explore. Every project is designed for maximum fun and learning. What we like. Engage with science through exciting, hands-on projects. It not only provides fun activities but also explains the scientific principles behind them. If you want to make science exciting and educational for kids, fostering a love for STEM, this is the perfect resource. What people say. This is a great book for my daughter who is in 6th grade. It covers all the topics she needs to learn for her science class. The book is well organized and easy to understand. The explanations are clear and concise, and the diagrams are helpful. I love that this book includes hands-on activities and experiments that my daughter can do at home. It makes learning science fun and engaging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.